Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert and create a table of content into your text documents in the Goodnotes application. So let us dive into this. Launch the Goodnotes app on your device. On your desktop computer or laptop, for instance, navigate to the given text document. And here inside your text document, guys, what you want to do is make sure that your text document contains at least one or two headings. Because if you enter, for instance, let me skip to the next line and enter a simple paragraph, it will look like this. Not like a heading, but a table of content needs headings like these here. So if necessary, convert the given paragraph into heading, click into it, highlight it, select turn into, and select heading 1, 2, or 3, depending on which type of headings you would like to use. For instance, if that's heading 1, and you would like to add heading 2 to it below, convert the given paragraph into heading 2. Now, as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different headings. So what you want to do is scroll up to the top of your text document or at the end, depending where you'd like to place your table of content. I prefer having it just at the beginning of my text document, but that's up to you. Click into the first paragraph line here and enter the command / and then table of content, and you will see it under advanced elements. And there you go. If you click into a table of content, it will automatically convert your headings from your document into parts of your table of contents. So if you click into the given chapter, you'll be automatically scrolled to or redirected to the given part of your text document. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.